Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec Sense. Directional lighting comes in a variety of different styles and configurations. As a rule of thumb, spotlights provide a focused beam, which is good for highlighting a specific feature in a room. Floodlights, on the other hand, have a wide beam, which spreads the light outward over a larger area. Spotlights, or SP, generally have a 10 to 15 degree beam angle. Narrow flood, or NFL, have a beam angle of around 25 degrees. Flood, or FL, is around 30 to 40 degrees. And a wide flood, or WFL, is 40 degrees and above. There are some slight differences between manufacturers, but knowing these abbreviations can still help you find the right replacement bulb. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can always call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.